Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with Ruthie Rocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. This is show number 636. And today we are having a return guest, Mr. Mark Kahn. He's a lender out of actually Las Vegas and Louisiana. And he's going to be talking to us about the jumbo loan limits and the programs today. But before we get to Mark, actually, as everyone knows today, everybody in the US that's watching right now, today marks the 20th anniversary of September 11th here, a day that we're all going to remember probably for the rest of our lives. I actually remember exactly where I was and how I heard the news that morning on that infamous morning. So in honor of that day and remembering all the victims that and families that suffered through that period of time, and the heroes. I mean, the tremendous heroes that emerged out of that tragedy to save so many lives that day. We'd like to just spend just a minute of silence just to remember that moment in history here in our country. So if you are watching, put your phone down here, and we're just going to put a timer on and just observe a moment of silence for 1 minute. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, never thought didn't think I was going to get so emotional about it, thinking about that. And I just recalled that day. It was just so incredible. I mean, incredible, the emotion coming out of that time period. But so, bless the families that have lost and then still kind of feeling the effects of it, personally. I can only imagine the emotion I'm feeling right now, being, 3,000 people, miles away from New York, but all the families and the firefighters and the first responders that day. So thank you to all those people. Ruth,
yes,
what is happening in the real estate market right now?
Well, I am going to hide you for a second so people can see. There we go. Well, what's happening is we have about the same market that we had last year in September. Last year, we were selling about 116 homes per day. This September, our average so far is 118. Now, it might get, that number might increase toward the end of the month, of course, but it's still going to be right in the range of last year. People were wondering, if we're trending, how we're trending, if the market's slowing down. And actually, the last 2 weeks of August and the first 2 weeks of September, it usually does cool down a little bit with the temperatures, right? We have about 25 days of inventory. And we listed 55 homes yesterday, but we put 47 under contract, and we closed 141. And so that's how we get the 25 days. We divide the number of days into the number of available homes, and that gives us 25. And yesterday, we listed only 12 homes under 400,000. And that is our median price of 407,000, which I was saying to Max earlier. I think that perhaps some of the iBuyer platforms that are offering over list, all cash, no contingencies, are driving that median price up, which doesn't make me happy because we price our own locals out of the market. So that's not, to me, a good thing. The $1 million plus homes, oh my gosh, they're selling 3 times as fast per day as they did last year. Someone in our office put a $1.35 million home on the market on Tuesday. Within 15 minutes, they had 4 people that wanted to see it. And as of today on Saturday, they have 3 or 4 potential offers, and then 3 or 4 more coming on board. So Max, whoops, where'd you go? There you are.
There I am.
Okay. And so the market is, bumping along. It's good. It's good. It's just that I don't like the median price going up. Hopefully it will come back down again. And hopefully we will list more homes than we're listing right now under 400,000.